Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss when we are interacting with web services, either it can be a SOAP or it can be a REST. We never get a simple string, right? We get a complex object, we get a huge JSON file. The question arises how to save them into the Avaya session variable or in a variable. Simple question. Before moving, I just want to say if you find my videos useful, do subscribe. So I can see that 91% are not subscribing to the channel, which is a little bit disheartening. But anyway, going to the okay. So first of all, what I have done, I have created a small web service using Spring Boot. Okay, let me start it first. So what it does is when we ask this get date API, right? It gives me random dates. It can be single date or it can be five date uh, in an array list. So if I go to my Postman, so once I click over there, let's click the close button over there. So it has written three dates. Similarly, it has written one date again when I call. So it is all random, okay? But it is returning me not a simple string. It is returning me a JSON object, and in JSON it is an array. Okay. So moving to our code side, right? I have already written the code all without any proper formatting and all those things. So ignore that. We are just concentrating on the knowledge. Okay, so let me rename it just for the sake. Call get date. I forgot to mention this code is already available in the GitHub. GitHub link is already mentioned in the description section. So you just want to use, just download the web service. It is in the POM or Maven, and you can run it over there. Okay, so I've already explained how to call the web service in Avaya OD. Okay, so just to give you the quick glance, it will take around 1 minute. Those who knows already can skip to the next timestamp. So once we get the, let's say this is the API, right? And then you click over here, this open and close or greater than say simple. You will get the code snippet. You get all the code snippet in different languages. I select OKHTTP. OKHTTP code I just copy over here and paste it. Okay, I just added try and catch. The jar it requires are also present in the GitHub and its link. So I will show you. So I required OK HTTP 3.90 and OKio its dependencies are 1.13. Again, you don't have to worry, just go to the GitHub link mentioned in the description section and copy from there. Not a major thing. Okay, so if you see that we got the response, okay, and response from the JSON, we converted into the string, the JSON string. Now from the JSON string, I got the JSON object. Okay. Right now, what we are doing over here is JSON parser. Okay, or parsing the JSON. Okay, and we are extracting the result. So if I go back to my Postman, Postman. So if you see, all the results are coming inside of result. Okay, so that's why I'm extracting the array, JSON array, uh, over here. And what I'm doing is creating an Java based array list. Okay, and to set it right, so its setting is like the similar to what usually we do. We create a project variable. So I have created a variable called date list. Okay, and then what I did is I just added that array list which I have created to this. Only thing difference is while setting we don't have to do any casting. Okay, but while getting it, okay, so if I show you over here, when I'm trying to get it right, I have to do a cast. That's it, nothing else you have to do. you can get the same object, it returns its all classification whatever you store. So yeah, the project variables not only stores string or int or anything like that, it can store anything that you pass uh, from the Java web service side. Okay. And this is how this is quite useful when we call the web service and want to do parsing or want to do the computation of the logic in the next section or some other part of the call flow. So yeah, this is how we store the information, and all the details and the GitHub links are given into the comment section. Thank you. Hopefully you like the video.